Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for smart software walkthroughs and tech tutorials made simple. In today's video, we are diving into HighRadius, the leading finance and accounting software designed to transform the way businesses handle accounts receivable, treasury, and record-to-report operations. Whether you're a CFO looking for a smarter automation, a finance professional aiming to reduce manual work, or a business leader exploring AI-powered solutions, HighRadius could be exactly what you need. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of HighRadius. If you want to create an account here and access the platform for a free trial, you need to click the Talk to an Expert. Provide all the information needed, and if your request for the free trial access has been approved, one of the sales experts here will contact you. Otherwise, we can simply go back to the main homepage and we can learn more about the platform by going to all these sections. We have the product, customers, partners, resources, about us section, and the contact us section. But our focus is going to be on the product because for one, now we are going to explore one of the products here that is order to cash. Because this covers the end-to-end process of turning customer orders into cash flow. So that means you have a HighRadius automates invoicing, credit management, collections, deductions, and cash application. The goal here is to accelerate cash flow, reduce days sales outstanding or DSO, and improve working capital efficiency. And of course, there is going to be the accounts payable or AP. So this focuses on managing what the business owes to suppliers. Because HighRadius AP automation handles invoice capture, validation, approval workflows, and payment scheduling. The result is faster vendor payments, fewer errors, and opportunities for early payment discounts. And then there is going to be the B2B payments. This streamlines payments between businesses because it supports multiple payment methods like ACH, wire transfers, credit cards, digital wallets, and a lot more that integrates with ERP systems. It helps reduce payment friction, cut transaction cost, and of course, you have the ability to have multiple information and opportunities for early payment discounts. And of course, you have an option to give companies better visibility over incoming and outgoing payments. And then you have the consolidation and reporting, allowing companies with multiple entities or global operations to consolidate their financial data. It automates intercompany eliminations, currency translations, and adjustments. It delivers real-time financial reporting, ensuring accuracy for management decisions and compliance. Speaking of which, we have the close and reconciliation, focusing on streamlining the month-end or year-end close process. It automates reconciliations of accounts, variance analysis, journal entries, and approvals, reducing the time and effort needed to close books faster with greater accuracy. And then you have the treasury and risk. It manages cash forecasting, liquidity, risk exposure, and investments. HighRadius uses AI to predict cash flow patterns, optimize liquidity, and monitor FX interest rate risks. So it enables CFOs and treasury teams to make data-driven funding and investment decisions while minimizing risk. Now, HighRadius is proud that it offers your agentic end-to-end process orchestration. It's not a marketplace of siloed agents because number one, it offers the credit. It helps companies evaluate customers' creditworthiness and set appropriate credit limits. It automates the process of onboarding new customers, running credit checks, and monitoring risk exposure. It ensures you extend the right amount of credit to the right customers while minimizing risks. Of course, you have the invoicing, covering electronic invoice generation and compliance. So it modernizes the invoicing, making it faster, more accurate, and compliant with tax laws. So it automates the creation, delivery, and tracking of invoices, ensuring compliance with regional tax and e-invoicing regulations such as GST, VAT or VAT, and PEPL. You have the cash application, where it focuses on automating the process of matching payments to invoicing. All right. So it eliminates the manual reconciliation by integrating with banks, ERPs, and lockboxes. The goal here is to ensure payments are applied quickly and accurately. And then you have the deductions. All right. Deductions are here to automate the identification and resolution of deductions. For example, pricing errors, returns, promotions, helping finance teams track, validate, and resolve customer claims faster. It prevents revenue leakage by flagging invalid or non-compliant deduction. It reduces revenue loss by managing disputes and deductions efficiently. And last here is going to be the collections. This is all about accounts receivable and collections management. It automates reminders, follow-ups, and customer communications for overdue invoices, prioritizing accounts based on risks, outstanding amount, and payment history. It boosts cash flow by ensuring timely collections while maintaining good customer relationships. Now, you may notice that HighRadius doesn't offer the pricing plans publicly. Instead, you need to contact the sales department so that they can offer a tailored fit solution depending on your preferences, budget size, budget needs, and goal. All right? And of course, if you wanted to know more about HighRadius in general, you can go to all these resources. Number one is going to be the newsletter, blogs, ebooks, templates, white papers, and my favorite is going to be the webinars. The webinars are on-demand videos from thought leaders and industry experts. For example, if you want to watch the webinar on maximizing working capital, you might want to click on it, and it's free absolutely at no cost. Just click the request a demo, just provide all the information needed, and you'll be there. And with that being said, and that wraps up our dive into HighRadius. If your organization is seeking a way to modernize financial operations with AI and automation, HighRadius is definitely worth considering. However, as with any enterprise-grade software, it's best suited for mid to large businesses that can fully leverage its capabilities. But for the most part, HighRadius stands out for its automation-first approach, helping finance teams streamline processes like credit management, e-invoicing, collections, and cash applications. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on more software walkthroughs and reviews. And as always, drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.